Namaskar. In this video we are going to talk about the dimensional formula of epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. If we don't know the units of epsilon naught, we can determine its dimensional formula from Coulomb's law of force. Coulomb's law of force is force between two charged particles Q1 and Q2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught divided by r square. This is Coulomb's law of force. From here we can determine the dimensional formula of epsilon naught because we know the dimensional formula of force and charges as well. The dimensional formula of force is mlt minus 2. If we don't know the dimensional formula of force, we can also determine it from here. Force equals mass into acceleration. Dimensional formula of mass is m, acceleration is velocity per unit time. The dimensional formula of velocity is lt minus 1, which will become mlt minus 2. So from here we can write it as 1 by 4 and pi are constants. They don't have any units, so we write it as epsilon naught. Q1 and Q2 have the dimensional formula of AT, so there are two charges, so we can write it as a square t square. The dimensional formula of charge is I cross t. This is the formula for charge. I is current and t is time. The dimensional formula of current is A and the dimensional formula of time is t. So the dimensional formula of charge is AT. So we write it as A square t square because there are two charges in product. Dimensional formula of length is L. So if there is R square, we will write as L square. From here we can determine the dimensional formula of epsilon naught. So epsilon naught will be A square t square divided by mlt minus 2 into L square. So we simplify it. M minus 1 power minus, this will become L cube, and if we go up then this will be L minus 3 t 4 power become positive and A square as it is. This will be the dimensional formula of epsilon naught.